Ever wonder how AI in sales notifications actually works? Here's the behind the scenes. AI monitors every action a student takes, like filled applications, page visits, email opens, missed calls, and identifies patterns that indicate readiness. The moment something important happens, it triggers an intelligent notification with insights like urgency, context, and even suggested follow-ups. So instead of your team chasing cold leads, they're acting on signals that matter. It's real-time, context-aware, and cuts down guesswork. When AI becomes your eyes and ears, you stop reacting and start converting. Want to know more? Click the link in the comments.